Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Blender versions and consistent file paths so links remain stable. Open the main. Blend and immediately choose File Link, then navigate to the external. Blend, this avoids copying. Select collections for grouped assets or specific objects when you need single items. Once linked data appears but is read only. This preserves source control. Make sure to use relative paths when possible so moving the project folder won't break links. Once the collection is linked, create a library override to make selective edits. Choose the linked collection, then Object Relations make library override. You do this to keep the source centralized while allowing scene-specific transforms or modifier tweaks. Override sparingly, only the transforms, modifiers, or material slots you must change, because excessive overrides complicate updates. For node-based assets, link the node groups first, then override the object's node tree entries, so materials remain consistent but editable in your local scene. To finish, reload linked libraries so the main file reflects recent changes. Use File External Data Reload or right-click the linked library in the outliner and resync. If you need a permanent local copy, select the linked objects and use Object Relations make local for the data blocks you want free from the source. Finally, confirm textures and image paths are valid. If something is missing, pack images or fix relative paths. Tip: if links fail, open the source. Blend and save it once.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.